Start with new chapter, chapter 5, magnetism and matter, class 12 physics. First, now what is magnetism and matter? The property of any object by virtue of which it can attract a piece of iron. Iron के piece या फिर steel is called magnetism. Means जो property आयरन को या फिर स्टील को, पीसेस ऑफ आयरन और स्टील को क्या अट्रैक्ट करती है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? मैग्नेटिज्म. नेचुरल मैग्नेट क्या होती है? नेचुरल मैग्नेट इज एन ओर ऑफ आयरन like Fe2SO4 which attracts small pieces of iron, cobalt और nickel towards it. And artificial को prepare किया जाता है magnet which is prepared artificially to attract an ore of iron or other like cobalt etc. Example है bar magnet, magnetic needle etc. Properties, first is like poles. Like means same poles, like positive negative same, then they repel each other. If and now unlike poles like negative negative always attract each other. Magnetic poles exist in pair, ये pairs में exist करते हैं. Like we have a bar magnet, south pole and north pole, they are exist in pair. A freely suspended magnet always aligning itself into north to south direction. बार मैग्नेट, ये हमारी बार मैग्नेट है. Line joining the poles of the magnet is called magnetic axis. Here distance between the poles of the magnet is called magnetic length of the मैग्नेट. मीन्स डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पोल्स, ये साउथ पोल है, ये नॉर्थ पोल है, इनके बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैग्नेटिक लेंथ. एंड द रेशियो ऑफ मैग्नेटिक लेंथ एंड ज्योमेट्रिकल लेंथ इज 0.84. हियर मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल. मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल इज अ पेयर ऑफ मैग्नेटिक पोल्स ऑफ इक्वल एंड अपोजिट स्ट्रेंथ separated by a finite distance. Equal and opposite strength with a finite distance between them. Now magnitude of dipole moment is the product of pole strength m, product होगा pole strength m and separated by 2l between them. Here magnetic dipole moment is m is equals to m into 2l I. Here SI unit is am, direction is south to north pole. Coulomb's line magnetism. In Coulomb's law, we know that F directly proportional to Q1, Q2 and inversely proportional to 1 by R square. Now in magnetism we have M1 and M2 separated by a distance R. So F directly proportional to M1, M2 and inversely proportional to 1 by R square. So after combining these two we get F directly proportional to or equal to K M1 M2 divided by R square. Here K is equals to F is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi M1 M2 upon R square. Therefore proportionality constant and mu naught equals to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. In vector we have F vector equals to mu naught upon 4 pi M1 M2 upon R cube R vector. Here magnetic field due to magnetic dipole. Due to magnetic dipole we have two poles, south pole and north pole, and BS P BN. Between S and O we have distance L, and between O and N we have another L. So after combining these two are 2L. O is the center between them. Angle theta we have BN, BQ and BS. Here between O and P we have distance X. BP equals to BN minus BS. Okay. So for axial line of the magnet, axial line पे क्या होगा? BP equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2mx divided by x square minus L square का whole square. If L less than x, then we get Bp equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2m divided by x cube. Cos L क्या हो गया, लेस देन एक्स हो गया. On equatorial line we get BQ equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon y square plus L square 3 by 2. If L less than y, we get mu naught upon 4 pi m upon y cube. Now torque on a magnetic dipole in uniform magnetic field. In uniform magnetic field, force of magnitude mb acts opposite to the each other at net force due to uniform magnetic field is 0. नेट फोर्स यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वजह से क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. सो टॉर्क इक्वल्स टू मैग्नेटिक फोर्स इनटू परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. सो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इनटू मैग्नेटिक फोर्स वी हैव एम बी साइन थीटा. वी हैव एम बी साउथ पोल नॉर्थ पोल, एम बी वेक्टर एंगल थीटा 12 डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दैम. सो टी इक्वल्स टू एम क्रॉस बी. वर्क डन इन मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल dw is equals to t d theta. Here mb sin theta d theta equals to integration from theta 1 to theta 2 mb sin theta d theta. So mb cos theta 1 cos theta 2 be minus between them. If potential energy is arbitrarily taken 0, potential energy को हम arbitrary 0 let करते हैं. When dipole is at an 90 degree, then potential energy rotating the dipole and inclined at an angle theta. So potential energy क्या होगी, माइनस एम बी कॉस थीटा.